Welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to make a video blurry in CapCut. It is so easy, yet the result will be so beautiful and dramatic for something like city light shot or with nature shot like I'm doing today. So I'm going to tell you about this special effect in CapCut. First, you're going to click on effects on the bottom of your screen over here. Okay, and click on video effects. And then you scroll down. Okay, scroll down first and search for Hello Blur. Okay, so this is so beautiful to be in your video, this Hello Blur. It makes the scene more dramatic. And then you can click on that and adjust the effect by the speed and the intensity. So I want the speed to be a bit slower, and I don't change the intensity because I think it is just right. Alright, if you're done, click on the check. Okay, click on the check over here, and then the effect is added. And then you can arrange the length or the duration of the effect. For example, I'm going to do like this, and then I'm done. Let's preview first. Okay, preview first, and oh, it's so beautiful. Okay, we can preview it again. So that's all for this tutorial. Thank you guys for watching, and if you find this tutorial helpful, remember to like this video, subscribe for other tutorial videos, and leave your thoughts in the comment section below. See you!